We're now going to talk about how you can manage your existing in-app applications. So the first thing you want to do is log into the VDC, select Manage Applications, Verizon Apps, and you'll come to the list of your applications. The quick way to get to this screen is through the dashboard on the VDC portal, where it'll be the button that's My Applications button. You select that and you'll come straight to this page. In this example, I'm going to select the My In-App application. This was a test app that I had done earlier. As you scroll down, you're going to see a Manage In-Apps Item button. And this is only for the in-app items. Another thing I'll just mention quickly, you'll see this column, In-App, ? And that'll tell you which of your applications is enabled with in-app. So as you scroll down, you'll see this button. If you select this button, it'll bring you to the in-app content types that you've already entered. Now a lot of these could have been done right when you did the initial submission, or if you chose to do it later, this is how you would add content after your initial submission. In my example, I've already done wallpapers and ebooks. So if we want to add an additional in-app content type, we simply select the Add button, and it'll bring up the template to input the information. Once I select the content type drop-down box, you'll see only the available options are included. So in this case, we'll select e-magazine. I'm going to do that one as a time base. We'll put in a price range. I'm going to say this is for 7 days. And then I will just add this. Here shows you the devices in which the parent app was submitted for. So it just gives you a reference point just to understand which devices these in-app items will be available on. So we'll select the ad. And as you can see now, I have e-magazine as a content type. Here's your in-app keyword. And if you would like to select more, you would just hit the add button. If you would need to edit existing content, it's easy enough. You would just go to the in-app content type, and you'll see that these are links here. Just select the link. In this case, I'll select wallpaper, and it'll bring up the existing information that you had already entered. So in this case, I may decide to add an additional one. So I'm going to do a time-based subscription. I'm going to say this is $1 to $2. Once again, you can set whatever price range you want. I'm going to say for 7 days. Or I could even edit the existing price of one. So instead of $4.99, I'm going to raise that up to $5.99. So I've edited the price, or I've added a new pricing option. And you'll scroll down here and select the Update button. You'll also get the message that your in-app content has been updated successfully. And if you ever needed to delete an in-app content, you can do that from this screen as well. So in this case, ebooks, for whatever reason, we're going to decide to delete it. Now, if the content has not been launched into the catalog yet, this is a simple enough process. You would just select the delete icon. It'll ask you to confirm it, and then if you say yes, it'll delete it out. Now, if this in-app content has actually gone through the business approvals, the parent app has gone through the business approvals, and it is in market, when you delete this, it'll actually send a request to the Verizon admin to delete it out of the existing catalog. If for whatever reason you needed to add that back in, so we had deleted the ebooks, I could always just come back to the add button and add ebook as another content type and resubmit that in. Any changes you do to the in-app items do not require a Verizon business approval. So these will get passed along directly into the catalog manager, and these will get launched into the catalog with no business approvals.